Welcome, guys. This is a white cabinet by Bathreader. Basically, it's white and it's a single door. We actually acquired it for bathroom. Yeah, I will be assembling it and installing it. Comes with the instruction and will backed inside it. A cardboard box and supplied with everything. Seems like a quality product, and it's got a gloss finish, and as you can see, I'm just unboxing it at the moment. It's well packed, so everything stays intact. Obviously, if somebody drops it from a distance, yes, things will get damaged. Corners will be damaged, and so on, and otherwise, there's no reason why everything will come out scratch damaged. So it's all in all, it turned out to be a very attractive and quality cabinet iron. At the end, you will see that it looks good, and it houses. Not that it's a big in terms of depth and width. It's not a big. It's a single door. It's not too wide either, so it comes with a nice handle chrome. And here it is. I've just hung it on the wall inside the bathroom, and there it is. And basically, you can see it houses quite a bit of stuff. Thanks for watching.